guy falls. I wish he knows his value. I wish he falls down. I wish he has an accident with that car of his. I wish he loses his wealth. I wish he doesn't have that business anymore. I wish he loses everything. We are very quick in cursing someone. But let me share with you this hadith. My fellow brothers and sisters in Islam, we are very quick in saying these things. I wait for the day that guy falls down. I wait for the day he knows his worth. Let me tell you this hadith. The Prophet ﷺ says that when a person curses anything, then that curse ascends into the sky. And the doors of the skies are sealed unto it. It is then sent down towards the earth, and its doors are too sealed unto it. It then goes to the right, and then to the left. And when it does not find anywhere to go, it goes towards the person who has been cursed. So the person who you are cursing, it goes to the skies, the doors are closed. It comes to the earth, the doors are closed. It goes to the right, it goes to the left, and then it goes to that person. And if that person is not deserving of that curse, then it befalls upon the person who has uttered the curse. The person who had uttered the curse himself.